Every time a friend succeeds, I die a little. In this video, we explore how envy, an emotion we all feel, can either drag us down or push us forward. Learn how to recognize envy, reframe it, and turn it into fuel for personal growth. Let's transform comparison into motivation. Thanks.
Every time a friend succeeds, I die a little, turning envy into growth. We humans are naturally compelled to compare ourselves with one another. We are continually measuring people's status, the levels of respect and attention they receive, and noticing any differences between what we have and what they have. For some of us, this need to compare serves as a spur to excel through our work. For others, it can turn into deep envy, feelings of inferiority, and frustration that lead to covert attacks and sabotage. In ancient times, those who felt intense envy might have acted upon it through violence, forcefully taking what the other had or even resorting to murder. In the Old Testament, Cain murdered Abel out of envy. The brothers of Joseph threw him in a ditch in the desert to die because their father seemed to favor him. On several occasions, King Saul tried to kill the younger David, so handsome and naturally gifted, finally going mad with envy. Signs of envy. 1. Micro-expressions. Envy is most associated with the eyes. The root of the Latin word for envy, invidia, means to look through, to probe, with the eyes like a dagger. The early meaning of the word was associated with the evil eye and the belief that a look could actually convey a curse and physically harm someone. The eyes are indeed a telling indicator, but the envious microexpression affects the entire face. You will notice the envier's eyes momentarily boring into you, with a look that suggests disdain and a touch of hostility. It is the look of a child who feels cheated. Although the look will be a little too direct and held a little too long, it still will not last more than a second or two. It is usually followed with a strained, fake smile. Often you will see the look by accident as you suddenly turn your head their direction, or you will feel their eyes burning into you without directly looking at them. On the other hand, tell suspected enviers some good news about yourself: a promotion, a new and exciting love interest, a new job, a book contract. You will notice a very quick expression of disappointment. Their tone of voice as they congratulate you will betray some tension and strain. Equally, tell them some misfortune of yours and notice the uncontrollable microexpression of joy in your pain, what is commonly known as schadenfreude. Their eyes light up for a fleeting second. People who are envious cannot help feeling some glee when they hear of the bad luck of those they envy. If you see such looks in the first few encounters with someone, and they happen more than once, be on the lookout for a dangerous envier entering your life.